Hello friends, today we're gonna be showing you how to check your differential gear oil level, okay? So that you can make sure sometimes when the level goes like below, you know, the normal, or it can leak out the oil, it can make a lot of noise and it will get so hot inside that the gears will eventually even melt or break, you know? So we're going to be showing you. This is not for a specific car. Every car with a differential like this is going to work. It's going to work pretty much the same way. Okay. So remember, hit the subscribe button below so that we can keep on making these videos. All right. So let's get to it. Okay. Now, if you as you can see here, so we're gonna you wanna identify a plug like this on your differential. Okay. You see. It's designed so that the 3/8-inch driver or extension can go in there, see? Just like that. So you don't need sockets or anything, just, you know, like a regular 3/8 ratchet. Some bigger cars use like a 1/2 inch, but this is a 3/8. If it's not in the front like this, it could be like on a side or in the other, or by the rear. Oh, you know what? It wasn't that tight. So, in order to know if the level is okay or not, the level when the car is standing horizontally like it is right now should be like right below this hole right here. So, when you open this, you want to check the level. You just have to stick like your finger, make sure you know that the level is right there, but we can see that it's already leaking from in there. All right, now I got the the plug still in the extension, so I'm just gonna go ahead and screw it in. Don't go crazy tight, just, you know, like snug. Remember, we use this to break it loose. Don't use it to tighten it. Just tighten it with the regular ratchet. Make sure you clean the excess out, okay? All right, friends, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.